Okay, I'm going to show you how to save a lot of money by replacing your own Globus battery pack. Mine lasted about 2.5 years and then it kind of went kaput. They charge about $35 plus shipping, so it's going to cost you about $45 to replace it. The battery that comes in it now is 7.2 volts, 1600 milliamps. I have my own, which is about 7.7 volts, and thousands of each battery is over 2500 milliamps, so you're going to get a huge amount of life and you'll probably never replace it. The batteries are guaranteed for about 5 years. So only things you need are screwdriver, soldering iron, flux, electrical tape, and of course the solder itself. So if you flip over the back of your Globus, you're going to notice a cover. You have to peel back a sticker that was here, undo one screw, flip it up. These sit inside like this, and it'll come encased in plastic. You just tear the plastic apart, and the way they set these up, there's 6 AA batteries is all they are, and the way they fold up and sit, it looks like this. So if you plop this back on top, that's how they came out. So save yourself a ton of money. My recommendation is when you get the batteries, take some sandpaper, scrape the ends down, both ends, and then you're able to solder them. And I use just basically a piece of any type of copper wire or metal wire just to connect the two together. You can see from here how the connection is. I just solder them together. When I put it back together, I just put electrical tape between the connections so that it won't rub. On this side I had to Dremel a little bit because these wires are a little thicker than the metal tabs that they used. But of course, once I put it in, turn it on, and it works. So you're going to have probably 10 times the life of battery. The battery should last 5 years. Mine only lasted, like I said, about 2 or 3 years. It had to be replaced. So go ahead and make your own, and it'll cost you, if you're good at soldering, it'll cost you $20.